Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect RED R3D files in DaVinci Resolve, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the media page at the bottom of the interface. Locate the media storage panel on the left side. Browse to the folder containing your RED R3D files. Import the R3D files by right-clicking in the media pool and selecting Import Media. Once the files are in the media pool, select a RED R3D file. Open the Inspector panel by clicking on the Inspector button in the top right corner. In the Inspector, review the metadata associated with your R3D file. To create a timeline, right-click on your selected R3D file in the media pool. Choose Create New Timeline using selected clips. A dialog box will appear. Configure the timeline settings as desired. Click Create to generate your timeline with the selected R3D files. Now switch to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit icon at the bottom. In the timeline, you should see your RED R3D clips ready for editing. To color grade the footage, navigate to the Color page. In the Color page, adjust color settings using the various tools available. Use the R3D settings in the panel to modify the RED settings for exposure and contrast. Once your adjustments are made, return to the Edit page to continue editing. Your RED R3D files are now connected and ready for further editing. Save your project regularly to avoid losing any changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.